Hi guys, welcome to ATSA channel. Today's topic is Redmi. I'm going to tell you how to use screenshot on Redmi. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open settings and tap on additional settings, accessibility. Take a screenshot, turn on, slide 3 fingers down and turn on volume down plus power. You can also set screenshot system navigation, press and hold back button, select take a screenshot, press and hold menu button. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. Do you think I can do it? Please write in the comments. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.